Avalanche! The Fat Controller had left Boko in charge of the branch line while Edward went to the works to be mended. Edward needed to be fit before the summer visitors came. After a week, he was growing bored. But then, a newcomer arrived. She was a wooden coach, and Edward thought there was something familiar about her. That evening, he heard a quiet, timid voice. It said, "He smiled," replied the coach. "Smiled Edward," said the coach. Said Edward. Continued Edward hopefully. Victoria hesitated. She said. Asked Edward. Victoria said. She broke off chuckling. Victoria explained. Put in Edward. Victoria said. Smiled Edward. Victoria paused. She chuckled to herself before she went on. Chuckled Edward.